Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off SafeSearch in your Yahoo search. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do in your Yahoo search, make sure you log into your Yahoo search web page. Once you log into your Yahoo search web page, you will have access to your Yahoo mail right here, and at the same time, you have access to all site options right here. So what you want to do here is to go ahead and click on all sites. So when you click on all sites, this is going to drop down. Then go ahead and navigate to settings right here. There you are here. So you have search preferences. You have safe search right here. So what you want to do here is to go ahead and make sure you click on here and make sure you click on off do not filter results. Then come down below right here and make sure you hit on save. And it's that simple. For more tutorial about how best to use your Yahoo search, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.